take a ride on the very busy main elevator at Ross Park Mall. A 1986 Montgomery, modernized with Schindler with Innovation Universal. Hope you enjoy the video. This is the main elevator at Ross Park Mall in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was the Montgomery, modernized by Schindler. Original call station. This was added during the mod. It's quite busy. This thing is busy. In case you're wondering, it's very busy. This is a very busy main elevator at Ross Park Mall. Like I said, it's very busy. Very busy. What? Here it is.
It is busy.
Good sensors.
Thank you.
Those sensors come in handy.
You still have your makeup like perfect. What is this?
Sorry for the wait, everybody.
So she has them and I get ready.
Thank you. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Okay, let it press it, Bubba.
Let's go up to 2.
Sorry. Just take it on the way.
More people get
Door closed button works. We like that. Pump.
it works.
It's a loud pump. It's obviously the cap's not insulated. Thought the cap's probably isn't insulated.
All right.
Going down?
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Okay, Bubba, we're good.
We get no fan or you
No.
go for a ride again? Oh, we were staying on it. Yes.
Going down. 1. Door closed button works. Door closed button works. Pretty nice elevator. Simon Senior elevator. Got Innovation Universal, 5,000 pound capacity, hands-free ADA code compliant phone, new indicator, which they didn't wire. Oop, going up. Yep. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. A word to Simon Properties. You need to clean your elevator, replace the pump, or insulate the cab, or even a modernization would work. I repeat, insulate the cab, replace the pump, or a modernization would work. Anyways, hope you enjoy this video.